Taylor. All right, fans, here we go. 12 rounds of boxing for the WBA, WBO, IBF, and WBC. Undisputed 122-pound champions of the world. And now, ladies and gentlemen, in attendance and boxing fans joining us around the world, live.
Former unified super bantamweight champion of the world, the 2016 Olympic bronze medalist, Uzbek Onolur, Jahon Championa, MURODJON AkHMADALIEv.
Please welcome the undefeated, reigning and defending, undisputed junior featherweight champion of the world, introducing Naoya, the Monster Inoue.
The battle between Naoya, the Monster Inoue of Japan, and MURODJON AKHMADALIEV of Uzbekistan is about to happen, and nothing can stop it now. Both have made the weight for the super bantamweight division, and not just Japan, but the whole world is excited to witness what is considered the fight of the year. Expectations are high for an action-packed and bloody encounter that will take place tomorrow at the Aichi Prefectural Gymnasium in Nagoya, Japan. Naoya Inoue's undisputed championship title is on the line. In an interview, Inoue said that Akhmadaliev might be the toughest opponent he's faced in his entire boxing career, so he's been preparing extensively for the fight. Meanwhile, Akhmadaliev is 100% ready, confident that he'll take the titles and bring them back to his territory. Analysts see Akhmadaliev as the underdog, being a foreign fighter facing Naoya, known as a monster in their division, with most of his opponents being defeated via TKO. What do you think? Can Akhmadaliev pull off an upset and bring home the titles, or will he return home defeated and battered? Share your opinion and let's discuss it. Before the battle begins, let's watch their knockout highlights and analyze if there's a chance of an upset tomorrow in their match.
I think maybe just resist. Oh, there we go, MJ flooring.
Shot, a big body shot, Rio's crouching over. Shot, a big body shot, Rio's crouching over, and he finally takes it.
One single bomb.
The first couple of rounds, he was really...
Over he goes. There were those who questioned 2.5 years ago.
And he was
tremendous 1-2, it really was from Akhmadaliev, and he's a vicious finisher, as we say. Espinosa looking for his shot.
But still flailing the shots, and down he goes once again. And this time, the referee waves it off.
Success here at the start of the round, but it just got caught. The knee is down. Still plenty of time in this round. He goes down. 1, 2.
Single bomb.
Oh, and there was the uppercut.
Like, this kid is beat down. Stop the fight.
And that is it.
And counterpunch off these Rios moves, and he is far more accurate.
Oh, that one got him real good.
And over again.
MURODJON AKHMADALIEv has been fantastic. Body shot, a big body shot. Rio's crouching over, and he finally takes it.
Take another knee at this point if you're going to continue.
These first 30. Oh, big shot to the body. He's used to being on his feet.
Punches have come from Inoue, and that
Fearsome flurry, and he's down. He's got him with a left. He's ready to go again, is Rodriguez. Here comes Inoue. Oh, he's got into the body. Oh, this is unbelievable for Inoue. Third time he's gone down to the core. Another count. It's over.
Taking chances with his defense, Iwase.
Bringing in the right hand again. Oh, I don't want to be taking these. He's getting caught clean.
He got a reaction from the last set and he backed the uppercut in.
Looked like he was on the back foot. Here he goes and he stopped it.
Title tonight. A fighter like Akhmadaliev, he's letting Soto
Tire first. Nice left hand to the body from Akhmadaliev. There's a left-right combo, a strong combination up top.
Frustrating to fight fighters like that, especially if they're southpaws. MJ just cuts off the ring. He doesn't want to give Soto any type of chance to.
Akhmadaliev again sizing up Soto with a huge left hand.
Because Soto
He's fundamentally sound and that physical. Tries to deliver the body. Inoue did a great job of blocking. Now he goes downstairs and comes back up and waiting, and he launches again. Just a little bit.
He looked devastating. Makes some water cooler buzz the next, on Monday at work.
Walking him down, gets him into position.
Here, Inoue has him ready to go to the body. And the others looked at him like, wait a minute, you're allowed to.
He's keeping that right hand glued to his side right there. That's another left to the body, and he has made the decision.
Oh, Akhmadaliev, the one engaging, and
Every once in a while, some good shots, he gets staggered. Now they're trying to go at it. I'd like to see him just does a nice good buckle his legs again.
emotional sport. You can put up rhythm. There's a good 5 seconds.
Oh, nice shots right there. What a flurry.
Yes, it does. That was a good hook. That might have ended it.
Yep.
Whoa, good shot.
Yep, and that's the end. 具志堅さん、これも両者
強く出てますね。
そうですね。すごい戦いになりました日本自体。そうですね。
クラブさん。
さらに右左。そして左のボディ。さらに行く。ちょっとこれは効いたか。これは効いたか。このアッパーというのが一つ。また前に出ます。河野が前に出てきた。左の右。耐えられた。井上は消えるか。右だ。
彼は左の上直哉、まだ第1ラウンドですが、どう感じて集中力あります。一瞬カウンターの動きを見せた井上尚弥、相打ちです。ワンツーボディ、はい。ガードの上、もう左。うわ、ものすごい力強い。また右入った。左。ダメだ、もう立ち上がる。
Beautiful overhand left to start it off.
3 jobs. He's a nurse. He
Good
has
shot.
left
hand right behind it.
Yeah, and World of Boxing and Real Deal are working to make this a regular thing.
And looks to counter you. Very similar to Lomachenko, where you're constantly.
Good shot right there with a left hand. Sport just covers up.
Oh,
Shot. Great body shot. And that drops him again, a body shot. Just. And big crushing left hand. It's been a beating. And that's it. Well stopped. Well stopped.
Akhmadaliev in the red trunk.
Just trying to shake and get out of that. Jay definitely not letting Paz set up, which is a good thing.
Down goes Paz.
His 22nd professional bout tonight. Majority decision against Rush.
Left-right combination. The referee is tolling the count, and it is all over. And now we have to hope that.
構えただけで相手にプレッシャー。左のファイターです。いやー、連打。ガードの上なんですが、ピョン井上のことをとにかくすごい。右だ。この音から左。ですけれども、トレーナー右。右左。さあライトがこの場合を突き刺さって左のボディが。右から左のボディ。日本の主砲。
左ジャブから右ボディ。ボディが効いた。多彩ですね。
そうですね。上下の内訳も素晴らしいですね。
左ボディ。
素早い前後の動き。左。ショートだ。井上翔太打ち勝っている。右を振って左を差します井上尚弥。深追いはせずにワン。
คราวนี้เอาบ้างตัดลำตัวแม่จุกแล้วนะครับ
井上尚弥。
んでるこれ